All right, guys, I finally got the final piece to my Carter's Custom kit. We have been trying to, actually, I've been trying to get this set up so Adam could do it at a show. We could do kind of a little install demonstration. But at each show, something's came up. We haven't been able to get it done. So I finally was like, I want it on there. Just give it to me. I'll do a video at home. So let's get to it. This is a simple install. So what we have to do, let me grab a light. So what we have to do, you see bolt holes right there. Will bolt into your factory vents on one of these. We have to hold it in there and see where it needs to be and then mark it. Then we'll drill the hole. And it bolts in there and then screws into your bumper brace at the back. Pretty simple. This is a pretty, I'm not gonna say it yet. I'm gonna say should be a simple install for this. But if you have an earlier car like the Capri, you have to install the plastic cover like came on the later cars, which is, I picked one up from Out to Pasture Pony Parts for like 10-15 bucks. I don't remember how much it was. They're cheap, because that's how it attaches to it, so you're not trying to screw it into the tank. So we got to mark our holes, drill them without drilling into the gas tank, and then get it put on here. So stick around, check this out. All right, so first of all, we just slide this in. Make sure it's even. Make sure these are flush with the bumper. Probably would help to have a friend to help you do this, but we'll see if we can get it done. Get the front bolts in. Just kind of just loosely hold in place. I'm just going to push it up to where we want it. I'm going to let you can push it in and out to get it exactly where you want it to be. That's where I want it. You got self-tapping screws. Run them into your bumper brace. one thing I just figured out. I gotta move where I put my underglow in the back, because now this blocks it. But anyway, it's not a big deal. I can move it. Till next time, I'm out here.